Griffith Park. Looks like we have a nice Mercedes right here. Man, we have quite a lot of cars here actually. Let's see, we have a lovely Audi R8 over here.
I think she's content to like just like this one right there.
And I kind of like the spec going on here. Dark green doesn't look so bad on it. Yeah, it's like a dark green. Those wheels look pretty interesting.
That'd be funny. There's a car behind you.
And some classic cars as well. Let's see, what else do we have here?
Yeah.
Looks like we have a Ferrari 488. Right here. Right. Looks pretty nice. And here we have Car Spotters United. Then, yep. So we will be going there in just a little bit. Looks like I have quite a lot of cars over there. Looks like I have quite a lovely Mercedes right here. It's quite nice. Alright guys, looks like we have a lovely Porsche 90. No, that's the Speedster, right? Yeah. Quite nice. No Corvette. And guys, don't forget to follow Don Apoloni. He drives the red Mercedes. Quite a lovely Mercedes. And this is a very interesting Lexus. I mean, just look at the hood. Ooh. Actually, I really like the spec right here. It's not so bad, actually. It's a little carbon wing. Alright guys, looks like we have quite a lovely Lamborghini right here. Now, what is this? The Mercialago, I believe, right? The interior looks pretty cool. And this large wing, it's insane. Oh. And these rims look sick. Looks like a lovely classic Mercedes right here. It's quite nice. So we get some more shots of this Lambo. It's quite lovely. It's really nice. Looks like we have a lovely Mercedes Benz, I believe, right?
It's one car. That's all you need is one car. Yes.
Quite nice. I mean, really, that wing looks amazing. Not so bad. These rims look pretty nice as well.
Oh, it has this type of...
Quite lovely. Here we have a lovely Acura. I believe an Acura and its X, maybe? I believe so. Quite an old one. I really like this car. I mean, the spec is pretty nice as well. This carbon fiber wing looks pretty nice. So I'm kind of into classic cars from like 1970s to early 2000s. It's really nice. Here we have the Mercedes GTR yet again. Sounds really nice. Ooh.
Light it up! Oh my!
Sounds so nice. Here we have the Shelby Cobra, which is really nice. Now I believe this might be a replica. Seems like it might be, yes. It's really nice. Shelby Cobras are pretty beautiful. Actually, they're really nice. Here we have another Shelby Cobra.
Let's go check out some more cars, guys.
Alright guys, looks like we have a lovely Aston Martin Vantage. The interior looks really nice actually. It's a really beautiful car. I just love the looks and everything about it. It's really nice. Here we have some lovely BMWs, which is really nice. wing looks really large. I actually really like it. Looks really nice. Alright guys, here we have a lovely Porsche which looks quite nice. Even this wing looks really beautiful as well. And actually, we also have a classic Volkswagen right here. Now, I'm not really sure what model this would be, but actually I love the looks of this. It looks really cool. So nice. Alright guys, looks like we have a lovely Lotus right here. Now, looks like this Lotus Elise, really nice. Now I'm not so sure about the spec on this Volkswagen. I mean, I don't know, I don't really like what's on the hood of it, if you guys saw. You have a lovely BMW and, well, from right here, and the other BMW. Sounds really nice. Oh, hold on. There we are. Ooh. Seems like that car over there has some hydraulics as well. Whoa. That sounds really nice. Sounds so.
Make popcorn. Yo.
Oh my.
Oh, this is the one.
That was amazing. It sounds so good. Right, here's the Acura from earlier. Really beautiful car. I actually really love it. Vantage from earlier.
Like the Vantage.
Really nice. Really nice.
Okay, guys, you guys
Why are
want to
those
see the video of
Mustangs
them?
so loud without having?
Here's the Acura from earlier yet again. Ooh. Really beautiful.
Get out of here!
Good son. Here we have the Ferrari 488 from earlier yet again. I believe I filmed this. Not gonna lie. Ooh.
Rev it up!
Alright, ooh.
Sounds like magic, bro.
Sound really nice.
To her from left.
Ooh.
Oh yeah.
You have a really nice Mercedes. Oh, whoa. That wing looks pretty nice. Huh. Wow, this looks really nice. Alright guys, if you haven't seen Backseat Drivers, watch it. It's a really good series starring Car Spotters United. Oh, whoa. Looks like we have a lovely Porsche right here. Oh, let's see. Stay still, goddammit. Alright. Oh my god. That sounds really nice. Alright, this Mercedes sounds really nice actually.
It sounds too good! Bye!
You guys can hear it actually.
My stomach sounds
Quite nice.
I haven't been eating like 3 hours.
One go.
Alright, so we're here at a Griffith Park car show, and you see, I think every time they have like a Mercedes thing, that's it's all Mercedes. I mean, it's not all Mercedes-Benz. There's some pretty insane cars, but most of the time there are themes, and last time it was a Porsche thing. Sergey's dancing for the camera, but Sergey, stop it! Cut it.
Alright,
Cut
okay.
that.
I'll definitely cut it.
Oh, okay. All right, now like put that into the video, okay?
Yeah, okay.
Are you filming? Stop filming.
No. Here's a Cobra. Whoa. That's a really nice Cobra.